so good morning. Good morning. Should have said my good mornings first. But hey, my Jenny. So today, I am going. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Like, yeah. The thing is, we have to leave at 12 o'clock, and it's 10:44. We basically have an hour left to get everybody ready. And I basically just woke up. But let's get through it. So first, I'm gonna be packing, as you can see right there with the bags and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be packing. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to pack. Beach towel. Now we've got all our swimming kit. So this one's mine. So cute, nature, especially towards the long sleeves because I don't know when my skin reacts to like salty water really bad. So that's why I got the long sleeve one. So yeah, isn't it so cute? Wow. Third, I got these. Ow. But yeah, it's for the mats. Like I don't really like them because they don't feel good. Like, look at this. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in a different bag because I don't think it's gonna fit in that small bag. So yeah, that is basically all I've got to pack for now. But now, come to me to come do my skincare because even though I've already showered, my face is like so dry and like my lips are dry and stuff. So I want to do my skincare so my face is nice and moist. Is it moist? I don't know. But let's get through it. But first I have to wash my face. So I see you when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to go to a different room because my annoying sister was in the other room. But anyway, I'm very dry now. Well, it's not dry before, but honestly, now I want to go do my skincare. So I'm just gonna talk you through what I'm gonna do in the beach. And actually, I want to go, but I think I just don't want to go because like we've been getting alert about wildfires. There's a fire in the beach. Like, what if a fire happened in the beach and like we've got to evacuate and stuff? Like, that's just like my biggest fear. Like, an actual fire happens near me and then we've got to evacuate. Like, no, I'm scared. Like, that's never happened to us before, and like if it happens to us at the beach, damn, because like can fires happen at the beach? Like, I don't know, but fires can happen at the beach, and then I'm just scared because like I don't want that to happen to us. But now I'm gonna do this in silence. Don't worry, it's gonna be in 210 speed. So I'm older now. Now all I've got to do is cut to when I'm in the car because I'm basically done everything right now. Like, now we just gotta wait and then go to the beach. I just want to go to the beach right now because I'm tired. Wait, should I just show you my outfit and then we can cut to the video where I'm in the car? Let's hope that I can bring my phone because if I can't, I'm cooked. Well, let's get through it. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So first we've got these blue jean shorts, kind of dirty, but like it's fine. I'm gonna wear these blue jean shorts because even though it's cold in my area right now, the beach is gonna be really hot. So yeah, it's gonna feel like 21 degrees, Google said. So they're kind of cute. I love it. I just don't like the rhinestones, like, no. But anyway, yeah, it's so cute. Then next I've got this small peach kind of t-shirt. It's nice. It's giving beach vibes, as you can see. It's really cute. And then since I'm gonna be leaving since I'm living inside this cold weather, well, it's not cold, like in the area I'm living in it's kind of cold, I'm gonna wear this like little jacket because I don't want to get a cold. Okay, and that's basically my outfit. And then I wear some slippers, also sandals. I might as well just change into it now because like it's literally 11 o'clock. Let me check. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock and we have 1 hour to get ready because my dad loves to be on time. Okay, that was cringe. Yeah. Now let's cut to when I'm in the car. See you then. Wait, let me show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. Wow. I hate it, but that's looking good. Like, I did have to wear a bag because these jeans are kind of like jeans short. Are kind of like big. So anyway, this is my outfit. I like it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, I will take off the bonnet off, but right now no, because we're not going yet. So, and this is my outfit. I kind of like it. It's cute. Very nice. Like, but anyway, that was like, this is looking cute. Anyway, let's cut to when I'm in the car, because if I keep filming, there's really nothing to film about. But I've got all the bags packed. Now it's just about the food and that door is so annoying. The food and the drinks. So, yeah, see you then. It's my tongue now. We're here. So now we're trying to find a parking place. But yeah, we're here now. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Hello. We're here, guys. See that screen? That's where I'm going. Guys, we're at the beach now. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go back in the water. I'm not gonna swim in it. I'm just gonna walk in it. That's why I still have my clothes on. But I've got my swimming kit under. Oh my gosh. Isn't it so cool? It's so dark though. Oh my gosh, it's so cold and it's so dirty. I don't like this water because it's very, very dirty, very, very cold. I like the one we went like last year. That was so good. But it's kind of dirty, but it's fine. I'm very, very cold. I think I might take off my jeans. Damn, let's go back so I can take off my jeans. Let's go back so I can take off my jeans. So anyway, it is very dirty. Yes, it is very, very dirty in here. Oh my gosh. I don't want to take off my shirt because like it's too cold. Like it's so cold. Last time it was boiling hot. But today it is so cold. I just love filming. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm outside filming this. But yeah. That was it. Hi. Okay guys, I took off my jeans short. Now I'm just gonna do sandcastle here because this is wet sand. I'm not too far from my mum. Anyway, let's do something. I'm gonna take off this jacket. Here's fine. Okay, I got my shirt on. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put some sand in here. Give me the shovel! Okay, guys, I'm just trying to make a sandcastle now. Okay, guys, can see me. Anyway, I'm here now. This is so fun. I just not even talking in the video. So it took so long to get here, bro. Like we had to find a place and it was so dirty over there. Like honestly, I don't like this beach, but we had to anyway. Okay. Anyway, my sandcastle. Can you guys see? So cute. We're gonna flip it over. Better not film me. Let's make a stand for my phone because I don't have a stand for it. Okay, here's. Okay, that's right. Okay, guys. Oh my days, why is it not standing properly though? Oh my gosh, sun is just going everywhere. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all can see me now. On my sandcastle. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over now. 3, 2, 1. Let's hope it works. Ow! 3, 2, 1. Look! Wow! Guys, I did a sandcastle. Are you guys proud of me? Y'all can see it, right? Right here. I did good. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go to the beach, like the water now. So, oh my god. So let's go. Okay, let's go to the water now. I got my cap on because you have to go with my brother because my dad and mom said I have to go look after him. So he's gonna be in the video most of the time. So if you see a little kid wearing a blue swimming kit, that's my brother, okay? I'm gonna say hi to my vlog. Hi. No, actually say hi, look. That's him, okay? I think we should go back to the water now. Okay. Do it, turn it around because I'm gonna show you his sandcastle. Can you see yourself? Down below. Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Wait. Tell me when to put on.
Okay, what are you doing now? I'm gonna go to the water. You look after your sandcastle, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna leave him because I wanna go back in the water. But I'm not gonna sit down or anything, I'm gonna walk. But I did see like 2 little kids go in the deep end and I'm like, I felt so embarrassed because I was actually older than them. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Big waves now. Nice and cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop now, let's go back. There's usually dogs here too. Did it work? I think it's because the sand is too wet. I think you need to go do it. Oh, look how dirty it is. Now go wash it. Look how it even worked. Look, guys. It didn't work. The dry sand like over there worked, but not here. Okay, we're gonna go wash this bucket now. There's so much wind around. Like that. I'm very like, I hate when there's like random things here. Oh my gosh, it's getting even like, the waves are getting bigger and bigger.
Woo! You see, I put all the water on you.
Come on. Damn! Okay, let's go back. In the water like a plenty. Do you want to go back in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, go then.
Actually, where we can actually swim.
I don't want to swim.
Where those people are basically.
Okay, but I don't want to swim because there might be like lobsters. There is lobsters and fish, and I think that's all I saw in there.
Oh,
why is it so dirty?
No, look at that guy. Look at that guy.
Still, we're not going down there. It's too deep.
Woo! Yeah!
You see, I love this. It's so fun. It's just There's too many like I don't know what it's called. It's seaweed. No, it's not seaweed. Is it that? Oh my gosh, it's getting on my leg and it's so disgusting. I just don't want my phone to be in the water. Like, or else I'm not gonna get a new one. Like, look at this.
It's getting me swimming.
We're going a bit more deep. Oh! This cannot enter. Oh, I taste the water. It's kind of nice.
Oh, big one. Oh, can you see that faraway ball?
Yeah.
That faraway ball.
That's different because it's on a boat, so it's safe. Oh, it's giving me chills. Can we go back now?
Anyway, let's just go.
Okay, we're gonna go back now because it's a bit too cold and like. But yeah, what should I do, guys? Like, there's so many things we could do though. Oh, sorry.
Did we bring a floaty?
No, we don't have one.
Can we buy one next time?
Okay, that's ask mom or dad, not me.
You have some money.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna go back. See when we're gonna have.
It's a little white nail.
Shh. We're gonna go back to our station and see when we're gonna have food, cause like this is kind of getting boring. Cause I want to sit in the water, but at the same time I'm too scared. Cause like I'm too scared. But anyway, yeah. Okay, we're playing ball now. That was horrible. So guys, we're playing ball now. I think my dad's gonna come. No, like he's fine. This is what it's like to have an annoying brother. See right there? Wait guys, I can't see. Right there is my station. And I want food. I'm thirsty. But I just want food. I'm not thirsty, I mean like, I want to eat. I don't know why it's all the way down there. But whatever. I just want food right now. There's a bunch of drinks and nice food. Wow. But I don't think we have to eat it yet. I don't know what time is it. What time is it? It's 2:24. Oh my days. Let me go ask my mother. Well, that's with my brother, so it's fine. face. She's too scared. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna drink water now. I'm so thirsty. Anytime my dad kicks the ball, he does it so far. And it's tiring, so I'm gonna eat drinks. I had to hydrate. Okay, you don't get the ball for them because it's far. But I'm just good at football than them. Like, they say I'm not, but I am. No, it's for me. Whatever. I'm gonna sit down. I'm just gonna sit down because, like, there's nothing else to do, and I'm so tired, and we're not eating food yet. I hope you guys are liking this vlog because I never do anything like these, and like, yeah. Guys, it's time to eat food. I'm so happy.
Like,
guys, this video has been a bit long. Like, I recommend it's like 30 seconds. It's been 30 minutes because I keep cutting the video by accident. But I'm gonna go to the water, and apparently my brother wants us to go to the deep. We're not gonna go to the deep. We're just gonna go to a length that we like because I don't want to go too deep. Like, all the rocks that was here, they're all gone now. They're all gone.
we're gonna get a shower. Like, if you stand here, you just have to go back. No, you need to go like more deep. Oh! Yeah, right here.
Damn. Doesn't feel like I'm going back, it doesn't.
No, you go back.
Come on, let's go in more. No, it doesn't. I hate it.
Maybe when someone else is here.
Can we go in more? Like, oh my god. I don't like the feeling of the rocks. Okay, stop spitting. Anyway,
Scaring me.
it's scary because it's just dirty. The water is dirty, and it just feels like something's on your leg, but nothing's really. It just feels like it's just like there's just rocks and dirt. Yes, like hell no.
You should go back to school.
Okay, we're actually gonna go
Ain't no way to be.
in now. This looks so satisfying. Look, it feels so satisfying. This. Oh, it's so satisfying. Look, and it just. I love like the fizzy noise. Damn.
I've got to run. Wait, if you want to drag down God, you can disappear. No! No! Make one come! Let me go over. See?
This look kind of scary. It's going back. Diamond, come on, let's go a bit more in now. Oh, I love the fizz. The fizz is so satisfying.
Let's go. Hey, beauty.
That big one.
Yeah. Awesome, man.
The wave is right there. Woo! Let's go to exactly where the wave is. Yeah, man, what does it feel like that? Hey, man. Why does it feel like that? Oh my god.
Okay, it don't feel like it anymore.
I hate how it feels, mate.
Don't want to feel like that.
I hate the rocks. It's so disgusting.
Look, you remember, like, no water was there. And we
Yeah,
could
let's
see.
go. Yeah, let's go like there.
That was happening. It's happening. I'm going backwards. Help. Into what I can feel the rocks. I can see the rocks. Go around it. Go.
Oh.
Walk in the way. Like go all around it. Go around it.
I love this. I don't know why I love it. It's pushing me back. I'm scared though. What if it's like
There's
like-
I don't see any rocks.
there might be fish?
Whoa! It's getting us to. Oh my god! Okay, we don't. You can see the rocks. Whoa! This is actually so big.
That was video me. I want you to video me. Hold my camera. Just hold it. Wait, put it on me. Okay. Yeah, look at where you're standing, mate. Someone does. Anyway, I think I saw like a lobster. Anyway, hold this. Hold it like this. Okay, guys. Don't move it. Like still here. Move your finger. Don't drop my phone. If you drop my phone, honestly. Anyway. Oh. Thank you.
Hey guys, I got a cameraman for the first time.
There. Anyway, so get your finger out. Like this camera is so bad. Anyway, why are you facing the other way?
Okay.
Okay, he cannot hold the camera. He almost dropped it. Like and maybe what it's not this is so bad. I love the waves, they look so pretty. Like wait, I'm gonna show you guys the waves. I can't even jump.
Jump! Yeah, we can see this.
Okay, we're just jumping in the water right now. The water, it's warm now. Like when we arrived, it was not warm at all. There's like literally nothing now.
I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh, my ball is chilling.
And we're gonna swim. Should you sit down? Should you sit down?
No.
Let's sit down. Let's sit down. Let's sit down.
I'm gonna go on it.
Here. That one, there's a rock. There's a rock behind you. Come. Chill. Sit out like that. Okay, just sit down here. Sit down here. It's so cool here. Sit here. Oh my God.
Now you gotta sit down like that. Put your phone away, okay?
Okay, shut up. Okay, let's sit down, guys. And crazy tacos. It is crazy tacos right here. I can't sit because I might drop my phone. I feel so wrong. I'm really pushing this down right now. Okay, I have to sit down when the wave comes, okay? Because we're gonna pause and like cut to when whatever I want. Okay, and it's a do your thing. I'm going to end it here because I think this video is just getting boring and boring. I just want to enjoy my time. Thank you guys. Wait, I'm trying to do my outro. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do your things. Be you.